हे गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। तो आज मैं आया हूँ मेरे कुछ फ्रेंड के साथ फ्रॉम बोथ द इंस्टीट्यूट कॉलेज ऑफ वेटनरी साइंस खानापारा एंड लखीमपुर कॉलेज ऑफ वेटनरी साइंस।
Hello everyone, this is Devasmita Nath. I'm a first year student of College of Veterinary Science, Khanapara, Guwahati.
Hello everyone, I'm Tanmoy Das and I'm a first year BVSC and AH student from Lokhimpur College of Veterinary Science, Jordan.
Hello everyone. Today I Arjit Singha.
Hello everyone, this is me Daya Talukdar and I am from Assam.
Hi, I am Pallavi Das, currently in BBSC and AH first year from LCBSC.
Hello everyone and Namaskar. My name is Sushma Saras Hajarika and I am studying in Lakhimpur College of Veterinary Science.
So let's start today's video. My first question to all of you is as we are at the end of the first professional year, how is your experience till now?
Well, every experience has sweet and bitter memories, so here is also the same case.
So my experience has been really very good. The college campus is good, the classes are awesome, and even the practical classes. So once we do the practical classes, the theory parts get like really very easy. Like before doing the practical classes, we might find the subjects a bit hard, but once we start doing the practicals, everything becomes easy for us.
Experience till now is absolutely awesome. In the first place, I would like to say that it's an absolute honor to pursue such a professional course, and I feel extremely blessed to study the same. I have gotten to meet really amazing people out there in my college, and I've really loved it till now. My batchmates are extremely helpful, extremely kind, really good. I found another loving family in my college. The professors are extremely helpful, then the seniors are again extremely good, and I really love them, and I really miss my college.
It was pretty amazing. I learned a lot. I got out of my comfort zone. I gained a lot of new experiences, so it was pretty good.
My experience was very great, especially the practical classes and visiting farms were mesmerizing.
So my experience is covered by both ups and downs. But the downs are very negligible in terms of ups. So I can say the overall experience is very great for me.
For me, it is always honor to be a part of such a professional course, and my experience till now is filled up with sweet and bitter memories. So let's move on to our next question, and I'd like to ask everybody that as we know that we only spend 3 months in college, so which memory of first year you will remember forever?
So basically, I will remember the freshers since it was a very memorable one where we enjoyed a lot.
The answer of this question is by my heart that the unity and the friendship, the bond of friendship is very great and it will remain as till my last breath.
Okay, so my memory that I'll remember forever is our Freshers' Day. I still remember my Freshers' Days. Like it was really very good. I didn't expect so much from our seniors, but it was really very good. Like uh, the kind of like warmth that we got from them, it was really very good. Like they even call bands, some special bands for us, so they sang for us, so it was really very cute of them. So I love my freshers.
I think it would be the Holi day, the day we celebrated Holi. We played with colors, we played with mud, we came like more closer to us, and it was fun. It was really fun, and I'll remember that day forever.
For me, it's definitely hostel freshers. I really enjoyed that day. We really had a lot of fun that day. So yeah, that's a memory that I won't be ever able to forget in my life also.
Of our first year, we will remember forever. So the best memory was our freshers. We didn't get a perfect freshers due to lockdown and coronavirus, but what we got was best. Um, Dancing with seniors and classmates, having fun was great. And for me, my best moments were also while practicing volleyball and playing volleyball.
तो मेरे लिए तो मेरा जो होली वाला दिन था, जो होली सेलिब्रेट किया था हम कॉलेज में फर्स्ट ईयर में, तो मीन्स ऐसा होली मैंने कभी सेलिब्रेट ही नहीं किया, तो वो दिन मीन्स कभी नहीं भूल सकता. बहुत अच्छा वाला होली था एंड सबको मिला उस दिन. हम बहुत सारे सीनियर्स के साथ हम मीन्स इंटरेक्ट किया, बहुत अच्छा लगा. एंड या वो दिन मैं कभी नहीं भूल सकता वो दिन. एक सवाल जो मुझे सब लोग पूछते हैं इंस्टाग्राम में, कमेंट्स में भी कोई कोई लोग पूछता है यार जो क्वेश्चन है सब लोग पूछते हैं मुझे. सो द क्वेश्चन इज देयर एनी रैगिंग इन योर कॉलेज?
Absolutely no, not at all. Seniors are really kind and humble. They will help you out whenever you need help. So yeah, and they are pretty amazing also, and I got to learn a lot from them. And now they are like a family to me.
No, not at all. No such crime is being followed in LCBSC.
No, we don't have any ragging in our college. Even like in veterinary college Khanapara, we have been like given separate hostels, like only for boys. The hostels have been separated, so whole of the first year boys, they have been given separate hostels.
No, there is no ragging in our college or hostels. That's it.
So the answer to this question is completely no. Seniors are very, very kind and they are very helpful.
The answer is absolutely no. We have been a very fond relationship with everyone.
फॉर मी हमारे कॉलेज में तो कुछ ये रैगिंग नहीं होता, लेकिन क्या होता है कुछ रूल होता है कॉलेज में, हॉस्टल में कुछ रूल होता है. बिकॉज हम एक प्रोफेशनल कोर्स में एंटर करें. आप अगर जो एंटर करेगा या करेगी तो एक प्रोफेशनल कोर्स होता है. तो प्रोफेशनल एज ए प्रोफेशनलिस्ट आपको रहने एक प्रोफेशनलिस्ट कैसे रहता है वो सिखाया जाता है. तो वहाँ पर कुछ ऐसा रैगिंग वेगिंग नहीं होता और बहुत प्यारा है सब लोग, और मुझे तो सब लोग प्यार करते हैं. आई लव all of you, all CBSC, all LCBSC seniors are all my favorite seniors. Let's move on to our today's session, last question. So the question is, what is your FATE rank? Do you have previous year's questions of FATE? If yes, how did you collect?
I joined through AU employee quota where my rank was 4th. Thank you.
You cannot get answer question bank for veterinary entrance exam in Assam. Nowadays, in all India level, it's NEET, so you can rely upon the NEET question paper, but there is no such exam question bank in Assam.
So my vet rank was 7 in open merit list and I secured the first rank in AAU employee quota. Coming to the previous year's question for vet, so I did not prepare any such kind of previous year's questions for veterinary. So I would just suggest all of you that most of you are preparing for NEET, right? So the question pattern is almost the same. Just you may get 2 to 3 extra questions or else the paper is not that tough. So study hard. Keep preparing yourselves for the exam. Best of luck for your future.
More vet rank hoy 108 and no particularly makoto puana silo veterinary PYQ, but what I did is that I practiced lots and lots of MCQs from NEET previous years. Okay, and yeah, মই বহুত practice কৰিছিলোঁ, especially botany, zoology and chemistry. Physics মই formulas মুখস্থ কৰিছিলোঁ and yeah. And lastly, I would like to wish all the aspirants best of luck.
No, I don't think so. It's available also. What I followed was NEET question papers, previous year question papers, and NCRT. And I would recommend you also to follow this too. It will help you a lot. So yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Catering is 112 and मैं प्रीवियस ईयर फेट का क्वेश्चन नहीं देखा था. आप सब लोग तो नीट के लिए प्रिपेयर करते ही है ना, तो नीट का प्रीवियस ईयर का क्वेश्चन लगा लो तो हो जाएगा. So thank you all of you. If you like this video, to like it, comment which you want next, and subscribe to my channel.